everybody, great to talk to you again this week. Now, I've never been one for keeping a diary. I've never ever written down my innermost thoughts because I'd be just horrified to think that one day somebody might read them. But for many years now, I do keep visual diaries. And if you've been a member of DMTV, a follower of DMTV for a while, you might have seen Art Diary, for instance, where I chronicled all of the events of one year visually with all sorts of different media. Well, it's spring here. Officially this week, it's spring. And I've been wandering around the garden, and it's just so uplifting, isn't it, to see things, little shoots of life coming through after if you've had a hard winter with snow and frost like we have. So I've decided to start a new diary. It's going to be a garden diary, and all I'm doing is when I wander around, whatever catches my eye, I'm just going to record it. So I've set myself some limits because I keep reading all of these people who do 100-day challenges and so on. And you know, what a commitment. It doesn't matter how well you start off, how enthusiastic you are, you often, I think, run out of steam, or, real life just takes over, doesn't it? So I'm only going to spend 20 or 30 minutes, and I'm not promising to do one every day. But, if I've got the enthusiasm and the energy, I might do 2 in one day or even 3. But I'm just recording these little inspirational things that I'm aware of in our own garden. So this week I've noticed that the magnolias are showing colour. In fact, the stellata, the white one, is already out. I may have to paint that soon. But these pinky plummy ones, they're just showing colour at the pointy end of their buds. So I recorded that one yesterday. And today I noticed that the first cherry blossom, they've been in bud for quite some time, showing all that promise of things to come. But I noticed today that we'd got some flowers. So I've done this quick little study of those today. And so, I have very good intentions to carry this on right the way through till I've completed that whole sketchbook. Now, in the meantime, we've got a brand new video out today, and it's on printmaking and how you can work into your prints. And I'm not confessing that we have failures, but of course, if you experiment with different media and you take a few risks and you use things you've not done before, you're going to get some less than fantastic prints. So Laura's going to show some ways to redeem them or enhance them or just work into them because they're a starting point. So look out for that new video today. And also, she's republished some older videos and all sorts of different subjects. We've been really busy reminding ourselves of what they're about because we haven't watched them either for a while. So if you're new to DMTV, they'll be completely new to you. And if you're not, maybe there was something you enjoyed a while ago, and you'd like to see them again. So do browse through the various classrooms, and you should spot quite a few titles that haven't been there for a while. So please find some inspiration, make yourself be creative, give yourself the time to do that. And I'll talk to you again very soon. So bye for now.